welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to Laguna Beach and I'm going to be doing a photo shoot, but here's the cool thing about today. For this photo shoot, I'm going to be wearing blue contacts. So this brand, Iris Beauty, just sent me these blue colored contacts and I am super excited to try them on and see what it looks like. Obviously, I'm gonna do a really nice makeup look after I put them in, but I did want to film this part of me putting them in. I have tried colored contacts before, but not high-end ones. I've only tried the fun ones that you can get for Halloween that turn your eyes white, and I think that's really cool. I love experimenting with new looks and trying out different colored contacts or different hair colors, so I'm super excited to try this color. And the good thing about Iris Beauty is that all of their contacts are FDA approved, so you know that they're safe to wear. There's also 26 different colors that you can choose from, and I chose the color Iconic Blue. So let's put these in and see how it looks. Ooh, this is so cute. So excited. Also, these contacts last for up to 6 months. That's crazy. I am gonna get, oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna get so much use out of these. I kind of want to prank someone or I don't know, go undercover and see if people recognize me. Also, one thing, before you put contacts in your eyes, make sure that you have clean hands. I just washed my hands before this, so I'm good to go. All right, I have the contact on my finger. This is weird because my nails are long for once. These are acrylic nails and I usually never get acrylic nails, but I wanted to get them for Halloween since that was last week. So that makes me even more nervous to put these in my eyes because my nails are gonna poke my eye out. Oh my god. Okay, I'm freaking out and overthinking it. Okay. I'm going to get this, okay? I really need to get ready for this photo shoot. I'm supposed to leave in 10 minutes and I haven't done my makeup. Oh my god. Update, I have one of them in. Okay. I am really running low on time. I need to do this really fast. Okay, I have both of them in and my eyes are watering so much, but this looks so cool. Obviously, it was a little bit of a struggle for me to put these in because I'm not really used to wearing contacts and I've only put them in my eyes a handful of times before, but they do feel comfortable, so that's good. So now I'm gonna quickly do my makeup so I can try to be on time, even though I was supposed to leave 2 minutes ago. Hey guys, okay, so my makeup is done. I look all put together, and wow, these contacts look so much better now. Oh my god, I feel like a completely different person. Let me do a little close-up. These are so cool and they look so real. Oh my god. Okay, I love these. I am obsessed. I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. I'm so glad that they last for 6 months because I am gonna get a lot of use out of them. All right, so I'm going down to Laguna Beach to meet my friend Adam and do a photo shoot, and I'll talk to you guys when I get there. So I made it to Laguna Beach. I'm at the first location, which is just this park. Let me flip the camera around and show you. So the first two outfits that I have for this photo shoot, they're pretty much fall outfits. One of them is actually from the fall lookbook that I posted. I'm wearing it now. Just a sweater with jeans and then a cute bag and shoes. And then I have another outfit that's all black. It's a black dress, black over the knee boots, and then a black jacket. And then I have 2 swimsuits that I'm gonna be shooting in too. So we're gonna go to the beach after this spot. And I just got here. I'm still waiting on Adam. I think he's about 5 minutes away. So let's get into the photo shoot. So for the first look, I wanted to use one of the outfits from my fall lookbook, and these are my favorite shots that I got. I wanted to highlight the bag, and I wanted to get some selfies with the blue contacts up close so you can really see them. And these turned out amazing. I love all of these shots, so shout out Adam, you did a great job as always. So this next outfit is all black, and these are my favorite shots. I wanted to do an all black look just to make it sexier and edgier, and I think the dress and the thigh-high boots really pulled the look together. And for this last photo, we wanted to try to get my reflection in the lake. Alright, we made it to the beach. Here's the first look.
think I'm gonna have you just kneel right here. Yeah, how's the pool?
Okay, these next photos are definitely my favorite from the whole shoot. Adam used the light reflector to shine the light in my face, so I just have a natural glow on me, and these turned out amazing. I am literally obsessed with them. Also, the bikini that I'm wearing is from Cupsheet, and I'm gonna be posting a bikini haul soon. That's probably gonna be my next video, so look out for that. We got a drone, guys. Wait, I'm trying to zoom in on this. It like zooms so slow. So for these next shots, we used a drone and they look so cool. I've never shot with a drone before, so I was like, honestly, I don't even care if I get wet. I just want to get cool pictures with the drone. And yeah, a wave ended up crashing on me and I got soaking wet. So if you want to see that, keep watching because I got it on video. For the gram, guys. Do it for the gram. Alright, the photo shoot is over. I'm soaking wet and sandy, but honestly, it was worth it. I've never taken pictures with a drone before, so I'm really excited to see how these turn out. There's like so much sand in my hair. Okay, well, every time after I do a photo shoot, I always go to some fast food place like Chipotle or In-N-Out or something, and I just pig out. So I'm gonna try to find a nice place to get food, and I'll talk to you guys when I find a place to eat. Okay guys, so I was driving to In-N-Out and then I realized I'm not in the mood for a burger. I don't really know what I'm in the mood for, so I just like pulled over in some random parking lot. I honestly like kind of want sushi, but like obviously I can't go in a restaurant and eat because like one, like look at me, I'm like wet and sandy, and two, I'm alone. There's this place called Jizaki Sushi. Okay, 4 stars on Yelp. This might be the winner, guys. So it's like about 5 p.m. right now, prime time for traffic, and I mapped it. To get home from Laguna Beach to West Hollywood, it's gonna take like 3 hours, so no thank you. I need to kill time, get some food. I'm just gonna get some sushi to go, and then I'll just eat it in my car, and we can do like a little mukbang to end the vlog.
Starting route to Jizaki Sushi. Proceed to Crown
I'm like seriously obsessed with my eyes. Like this looks real. I could get used to this. Okay, I just got some sushi. I cannot wait to get home. I went in the bathroom while I was waiting for my food, and there's sand in places that it shouldn't be, so I cannot wait to get home and shower and like wash my hair. But guys, it was freaking worth it. We got some cool shots. I need to show you my food, but I don't want to like move the camera. It's like really bright. Yes. Oh my god, spicy mayonnaise sauce just dripped on me. And I'm literally the messiest eater. Oh my god. This is why I don't go on dates. Okay, is it just me, or does anyone else like eating the ginger? I can literally like eat this stuff all day, every day. It's so good. And ginger is really healthy for you. Okay guys, I'm ending this vlog. I don't think you want to eat, I don't think you want to watch me eat sushi for the next 20 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn on my notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Like seriously guys, I went in the freezing cold ocean and let a wave crash on me, so you better give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please, please. Also, I'm gonna put the links and some information about these Iris Beauty contacts in the description, so make sure to check that out. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.